Hey there, I'm Andrew, your Faith Made Guide. In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at changing out some of the featured images that we use throughout the website. The most prominent place that you're going to see featured images are here in grids like this. So if I click the visit page, what we're going to do is we're going to change out the image that shows in these grids. Now, for most of the content on your website, you would go to the page builder to change this out. But for these don't use page builder, they use featured image. And so we're going to click visit again. And to edit this, we're going to edit this page by hovering over dashboard and clicking edit this page. And this is going to take us to the back end of our website. Now, your first time in here, you're going to see this little tip walkthrough right here. You're welcome to go through that. Most of that isn't relevant to our pages here because we're using the page builder and not this area. But what we are using is the featured image. And you can see this image is the same as the one that was in that grid a moment ago. And so we're going to replace this image with this one. We're going to set the featured image and click update. And now when we go back to where that grid was, you're going to see that that image is updated. And we'll have to do the same for visit, growth track, groups, and serve, as well as things like kids and students, wherever those grids are. For example, this is a grid that would show up all of these right here. Anywhere that you have these grids is where the featured image needs to be changed to show the correct image in these areas.